intersection find the ratio in which the join of 2 3 1 and -2 1 -3 is cut by the plane x minus cut 2y plus 3z plus 4 equal to 0. And find also the coordinate of the point of intersection. Solution. First of all, we find the equation of line which passing through the 2 points. First point is 2 3 1 and second point is -2 1 and -3. Then the equation of line which passing through 2 points is x minus का x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus का y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus का z1 upon z2 minus z1. The point is 2 3 1 and -2 1 and -3. So x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, z1 equal to 1 and x2 equal to -2, y2 equal to 1 and z2 equal to -3. Putting this value in equation number 1, then we get the equation of line x minus का 2 upon -2 -2, y minus का 3 upon 1 -3 and z minus का 1 upon -3 -1. The equation of line is x minus 2 upon -4, y minus 3 upon -2, z minus 1 upon -4. Multiplication in -1 is all side, then x minus 2 upon 4, y minus 3 upon 2 and z minus 1 upon 4. The multiplication on all side is 2, then we get -2 upon 2, y minus 3 upon 1 and z minus 1 upon 2. Multiplication is 2 in all sides. We get the equation of line. Then the point first is -2 1 and -3 and the point is 2 3 1. The plane x minus का 2y plus 3z plus 4 equal to 0. Then find m1 and 2. What is the ratio? m1 upon m2. So first of all, we find the intersection point. Intersection point, we find the intersection point between plane and line. The equation of line is x माइनस का 2/2, y माइनस 3/1, z माइनस 1/2. Then let r x equal to 2r plus 2, y equal to r plus 3 and z equal to 2r plus 1. These value putting in the equation of plane and we get the value of r. Yeah, we find the value of r. Then 2r plus 2 minus का 2, r plus 3 plus 3, 2r plus 1 plus 4 equal to 0. Then 2r plus 2 minus का 2r minus 6 plus 6r plus 3 plus 4 equal to 0. So 2r and 2r is cancelled, plus 6r, 4 plus 2 6, 2 6 cancel, then plus 3 equal to 0. So r equal to minus का 1/2. Then the point x equal to minus का 1 plus 2 equal to 1, y equal to minus half plus 3 equal to 5/2 and z equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, z equal to 0. The point is 1, 5/2 and 0. The intersect point is 1, 5/2, 0. By using the section formula to find the value of m1 and m2. A given value is z is 0, so using only for z coordinate. Yeah, otherwise to use x coordinate या y coordinate, anyone you choose, anyone. Then we first of all then z equal to z1 m2 plus z2 m1 upon, this is z equal to z1 m2 plus z2 m1 upon m1 plus m2. So z is 0, z1 is z1, z1 is minus 1 and z2 is minus 3. z1 in 1 into m2, z2 is minus 3, m1 upon m1 plus m2. Then x1 y1 z1, x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. Then use x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, anyone. So x1 putting the value of z1 is 1, m2, z2 is minus 3, m1 upon m1 plus m2. Then this condition is cross multiplication, then 0, m2 minus का 3 m1, m1 upon m2 equal to 1 upon 3. The ratio is 1:3 and the intersect point is 1, 5/2, 0. And next question is prove that the distance of the plane, of the point of intersection of the line x minus 3, y minus 4 upon 2, z minus 5 upon 2, and the plane x plus y plus z equal to 17 from the point 3, 4, 5 is 3. The solution: first we find the intersection point of plane and line. Then let x minus 3 upon 1 equal to y minus 4 upon 2, z minus 5 upon 2 are x is equal to 3, 2r plus 4, z equal to 2r plus 5. The x, y, z. These points are putting in the equation of plane. r plus 3 plus 2r plus 4, 2r plus 5 equal to 17. 5r, 4, 7, 17. 5r equal to 5, r equal to 1. Then putting the value of r in this, x is equal to 4, y equal to 6, z equal to 7. The intersection point is 4, 6 and 7. The distance between intersect point to the point 3, 4, 5. Distance between 2 points equal to x1 minus x2 का square, y1 minus y2 का square, z1 minus z2 का square. The first point is 4, 6 and 7 and 3, 4 and 5. x1, y1, z1, x2, y2 and z2. Under root 4 minus 3 का square plus 6 minus 4 का square, 7 minus 5 का square. 4 minus 3 का square is 4, 1 square plus 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 का square and 2 square. 1, 4, 4. Root 9 equal to 3. Hence proof. तो proof हमें 3 करना था distance between 2 points. Then is proof. Next question. Question is, find the coordinate of the foot of the plane of the perpendicular. Draw from the origin to the plane 2x 4z + 1 बराबर 0. Solution. this is plane 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 1 equal to 0, and the point is 0, 0, 0, and draw the perpendicular to find the coordinate of P. Let the coordinate of P equal to A, B and C. Equation of line OP: x minus 0 upon a minus 0, y minus 0 upon b minus 0, z minus 0 upon c minus 0. The equation of line is x upon a, y upon b, z upon c. So direction ratio, cosine, direction cosines of line OP is A, B and C, and the direction cosines of normal to the plane is the coefficient of x, y and z is 2, 3, minus 4. The normal is this line. Then the direction ratio is 2, 3 and minus 4. Both lines are parallel. The condition of two lines are parallel is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Then putting the conditions, a upon 2, b upon 3 and c upon minus 4. The point P is lie on the plane. To satisfy, then we get the condition is 2a plus 3b minus ka 4c plus 1 equal to 0. Then let a upon 2, b upon 3, c upon minus 4 equal to k. So we find the value of a, b, c in form of k. Then a equal to 2k, b equal to 3k and c equal to minus 4k. These value are putting in the equation number 1, and we get find the value of k. So 2 into 2k plus 3 into 3k minus 4 into minus ka 4k plus 1 equal to 0. So 4k plus 9k plus 16k equal to minus 1, 29k equal to minus 1, k equal to minus 1 upon 29, and these value putting in ABC and find the points. So a equal to minus ka 2 upon 29, b equal to minus ka 3 upon 29 and c equal to 4 upon 29. The coordinate of the foot is ABC, and the value of ABC equal to this.